Hi guys, here we are at 8 Lauren Street in Rosebud, our next auction offering. Tell them about it, Shane.
Thanks, Adam. 250 metres from the McRae Plaza, 250 metres from the beach. This home has got 3 bedrooms on 600 square metres and is perfect for so many different buying groups. Let's go and take a look.
Thanks for having a look, guys. As you can agree, 3 bedrooms, 600 square metres in this location. This auction's going to go off.
Yeah, it should be a really good one, Adam. Open for inspections are on Saturday afternoons with the auction on the 30th of June. See you there.